Wow.
Ugh. What a rainy, cloudy, muddy day on Sesame Street today. Perfect Grouch weather. What are you doing out here, Twinkle Toes?
Huh? Oh, well, I am exploring, Oscar. Look at this. Huh?
Exploring, huh? Well, why don't you explore this? A slimy old sock. Spoiler alert, it's also stinky.
No, thank you, Oscar. Right now, I am exploring what happens in nature after it rains. Looking closely, I see a beautiful shiny green leaf. A shiny pebble. Oh, pretty flowers.
Yuck.
Awesome.
A grouch like me wouldn't be interested in anything like that. Grouches only like things that are messy and muddy and mucky and gross.
Oh, yeah? Are you kidding? Look at this. Huh? Nature can be totally messy and muddy, and that's my favorite part. Oh, I love using my fingers to feel the smooth leaves and the wet dirt. I love using my ears to listen to the drip-droppy water as it falls from the trees down to the puddles. Listen. And I really love the sticky, muddy mud and how it feels on my boots. Listen to this.
Yeah, that is mucky. Look, but a grouch like me always plays alone. I can't stand being around other people.
I know what you mean. I love my quiet time in nature. So I'll leave you alone. See you later.
Yeah, exactly. Alone. Smell you later, Abby. This grouch is gonna scram.
Ooh, this mud is just so squishy.
Abby?
Yeah, Oscar? Forget something?
Well, could I look through your magnifying glass to see that mud?
Yeah, sure thing.
Yeah. What do we got here? Look at it. It's lumpy, rocky, bumpy.
Yeah, and totally squishy and squashy and squelchy.
Yeah. I like the way you explore, Abby. But to be clear, I positively, definitely, absolutely want to play alone. But, I guess we could play alone together.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's so mucky.
So slippery, slimy, and disgusting. Oh, yeah.